Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, I want to talk about installations. 'Tis the season for destination weddings and often on-site designing. When that happens, it's easy to end up with a mess that you have to clean up. Not a lot of fun. The best solution I have found is to put down a drop cloth first. It can be plastic, that works fine, or it can be cloth. My preference, cloth, because if there's water involved, it just absorbs in rather than making a puddle. Then, as you do your work, you're standing on the drop cloth, all the debris stays there. When you're done, simply wad it up, technical term, and then put the whole thing in your vehicle to take home and clean up later. No muss, no fuss. Now you know how the pros do it.